Hi, this is Amy from Crochet Jewel channel, and I am going to pick the winner for the yarn from Walmart. And this is amyscrochetpatterns.com. All links are down below. If you click on any one of these categories, it will take you to pictures for each category. This is Afghans. Once you click on that photo, it will take you to the pattern. Most of my patterns have videos. Also, if you'd like to take a look at my Etsy store, I have crochet patterns PDF in categories over here. I also have crochet vintage. If you click on all, I have the 4 crochet printables and then digital printables like thank you cards and thank you tags. Also, I have my Instagram if you'd like to join and tag me with any patterns that you have made of mine on Crochet Jewel for You. I'm on Facebook and Twitter. That is all listed down below in the description. Let's see who the winner is. Congratulations, Kate. Please contact me with your info and I will send this out to you as soon as possible. I just need your address and your full name, which I see you already posted that. Thank you everybody for subscribing and participating in this giveaway. Look out for more giveaways and more videos. I've been posting a couple or more a week. I learned how to create left-handed videos. So if you are left-handed, I have those videos available for my latest videos. And my top videos, I have posted a couple and more coming out in the future. Okay, so thank you everybody for watching, and I hope to see you in the future. Also, I wanted to make mention that I am approving most of all my comments, so if it takes a while before you see your comment, is because I'm approving them due to spammers. So thank you again, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching.